Did you know vaccines contain a secret ingredient that acts like a cellular fire alarm? Aluminum adjuvants have been quietly revolutionizing immunity for over 90 years. When injected, aluminum salts create what scientists call a depot effect at the injection site. They slowly release vaccine antigens while recruiting immune cells like a molecular beacon. This aluminum acts as a danger signal, activating dendritic cells and supercharging antibody production. The result: vaccines need far less active ingredient to create stronger, longer-lasting immunity. Without this immune enhancement technology, we'd need massive doses of biological material. Instead, tiny amounts of aluminum help train our immune systems perfectly. A 90-year-old discovery still protecting millions today.